Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, my student? Welcome in a new lesson, lesson 13.1. Use the order of operations to evaluate expressions. With you, Mr. Muhammad Jamal. Our objectives for today is, by the end of the lesson, students should be able to use the order of operations to evaluate expressions. As you see, here we have the order of operations. Number 1, parentheses or bracket, then exponent, multiply or divide, finally end with add or subtract. For example, here we have an equation which is 15 plus 12 divided by 3 plus 5. Actually, if a student he don't know the order of operations, maybe some students will solve it like this: 15 plus 12 he can start with, then do the division, then finally adding. So for example, if I will do 15 plus 12, this will give me 27, then divided by 3, then plus 5. Then 27 divided by 3 is 9 plus 5 is what? 14. And this is wrong answer. Why? Because this student, when he got the 27, he did first what? 15 plus 12. But in the order of operations here, we have to start with parentheses, then exponent if there is. We don't. So we have to start with multiply or divide, then finally adding. This student here, he started with the addition. Because of this, it's wrong answer. He should start with adding or dividing. Of course, dividing is more stronger. If you have a division and addition, which one is? It should be the stronger, the one which is division. So I have to start with this step. 12 divided by 3 is what? 4. Then I have to copy 15. Okay. Then here to copy the 5. Now let's copy it here. 15 plus 4 plus 5. Yes. 15 plus 4 is 19. Now 19 plus 5 finally it will give us 24. So the final answer is 24, right answer. It cannot be 14 as wrong answer. What mistake that this student do is he did addition before division. Since the division is more stronger, we have to start with division before adding or subtracting. Okay, what about the exponent? Some students they cannot remember what is exponent. Exponent, like if you have 3 power 2, you have to get the power first. Okay, and you know exactly what it does mean. 3 power 2, it's equal to 3 times, yes, 3. Okay, so in question number 3 here, what we have a 3 plus 27 divided by 3. He's asking name the operation you should do first. What I should do first? Is it to add the 6 and 27 or to divide the 27 by 3? Of course, the answer is to do the division. Why? Because division is more stronger than addition. Question 4, we have here 5 multiplied by 2 plus 12, then divided by 6. We have here 3 operations: multiplication, addition, and division. In this case, we have division and multiplication, they are the same strength. So which one I should do in the beginning? I should do the one which comes first. The one which comes first, because I'm going from the left to the right. I'm going in this direction, guys. So in this case, the multiplication comes first. So I have to start with multiplication. In question number 5, we have subtraction, and here we have addition inside the bracket. Which one I should start with? Of course, I should start with, yes, addition, because here the parentheses will tell me I'm the strongest here. So I have to follow the brackets. Question number 6, you have here a bracket. Inside the bracket minus, subtraction, and here addition, and here addition. So which bracket I should follow? The first one or the last one? Of course I should follow the one which comes first, because I'm going from the left, yes, to the right. So my answer is subtraction, teacher. In question number 7, 4 divided by 2, then multiplied by 8. In this case, you have division, then multiplication. Both of these two operations are the same strength. So which one I should start with? The one which comes first. Which one comes first when you go from the left to the right? Yes, exactly, the division. It comes first. Because of this, I should start with the division 1. In question 8, we have here addition, multiplication, division. Of course, we know that multiplication and division is more stronger than addition. But which one I should start with? Is it multiplication or the division? Of course, I should start with, yes, this multiplication. Why? Because it comes first, because I'm moving in this direction, from the left to the right. So 6 by 7 will give us 42. Then let's copy the division. Let's copy the 3. Let's copy this addition as well. Now it's a 3 plus 42 divided by 3. Which one I should start with? Yes, I should start with the division, this one, because the division is more stronger than addition. Now I have to calculate what is 42 divided by 3. 42 divided by 3, you can calculate it by using long division, or if you can do it mentally, how many 3 in 42? You know that 3 times 10 is 30, so you can get it by this way, 3 by 10, 3 by 11, till you reach the 42, which is going to be 14. And you can check it like this. Yes, 14 multiplied by 3. 3 by 4 is 12. Carry up 1. 3 by 1 is 3, and 1 is 4. So what will give us the 42 from the 3 is the 14. So 42 divided by 3 is 14. And here we have to add the 3. So 3 plus 14 is 17. Yes. In question number 9, we have here multiplication, addition, and another multiplication. Which multiplication? We know that multiplication is stronger, but which multiplication I should start with? Is it 2 times 9 or 2 times 14? The answer is we have to start with 2 by 14. Why? Because of this bracket. Yes. The bracket is more stronger, so I have to follow what the bracket or parentheses is saying. So I have to multiply 2 times 14, which give us 28. Then just copy the addition and copy the 2 by 9. Now I can ask myself again, which I can start with. Is it to multiply the 2 by 9 or to add the 9 and 28? The answer is I have to multiply the 2 by 9, which give us 18, and then the last step is to add 18 and 28. 18 and 28, I can add it vertically to be easier. 18, 28, and do the addition. 8 plus 8, 16, carry up a 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 and 2 is 4. So the final answer here is 46. In question number 14, we have here 8 multiplied by 3 plus 2 minus 6. In this case, we have here multiplying, addition, subtraction. We know that multiplication is stronger than addition, but in this case I have to start with addition. Why? Because of the bracket that you can see here. Yes, because the parentheses it's more stronger, I have to start with this step, which is adding the 3 and the 2. So 3 plus 2 is 5, and just copy here this step, 8 times 5 minus 6. Now we have two steps, the multiplication and the subtraction. Of course, this is more stronger. So 8 times 5 is 40 minus 6. So 40 minus 6, yes, the answer is 34. So the final answer here is 34. In question number 20, he is asking you to insert the bracket or the parentheses to make each statement true. In this question you have here 30 minus 4 times 2 plus 5. He's asking you where I shall put the bracket to make the answer to be what? 2. Actually, you should try sometime. You will put the bracket here, then try to get the answer. If it was 2, it's correct. Let's try to put the brackets over the 5 and 2. If the answer it was 2, so the bracket should be here. If it wasn't 2, we should try another place to put our bracket. Since we have the bracket here, so we have to start with the addition. 2 plus 5 is 7. Then copy the multiplication, the 4 minus and 30. Now what we have is two operations, which they are minus and multiplication. Of course, I have to start with multiplication because it's stronger. So 4 by 7 is 28, and here minus, and here the 30. Now 30 minus 28 is what? Yes, the answer is 2. Is it the same? Yes, it's the same answer. So our answer is correct. We have to put it here over the 2 and the 5. Finally, I want to thank you for watching this video. Try to do your best. May Allah protect you and your families as well. Study well, do your work, and have a good luck inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.